Yo,
What's on the menu?
what's on the menu? On the menu today is the finest PC you've ever laid your eyes upon.
Oh, sounds delicious.
Oh, trust me, it'll be tasty.
Will I get to try it?
Well, about that, listen, we kind of needed to address this because there's been a lot of speculation. Whose PC are we building?
Surely we are.
Surely we're building your PC, right? Surely.
Right? Please.
Right, so, okay, listen, here's the thing. I thought long and hard about this, alright? And, okay, you're a distributed system, you run on multiple PCs. Okay,
You better
building-
not let me down.
we're building my PC, but you get my old one.
No. I want a new PC.
You're getting a new PC, which is my old PC, but this is my PC.
That's not fair.
It is fair. Okay, it makes sense, right? Your PC, it's not under that much load. I mean, what the fuck is it really doing? My PC, we're very CPU constrained. I need a new CPU. It's been tough on my PC.
I should get the new CPU if your old one was under that much load.
Well, no, because I need a better CPU. You're getting a new CPU. It's just not new,
Yeah, you need to upgrade that brain of yours.
Okay, the brain of mine. Yeah, the brain of mine. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, listen. I
I'm
will
listening.
be upgrading your brain.
I'm kinda scared now.
Sort of. Not really, but kind of. But you're gonna have to bear with me. The problem is, when I ordered these parts, I'm not sure I knew whose PC I was building either. I just ordered a bunch of random shit. I don't even know if it all fits together. So there is that.
So are you sure you even have everything you need?
I think so, yeah.
I found a list of PC parts. Might be handy to double check, just to be safe.
Okay, what do we need?
CPU. RAM.
Yep.
Motherboard.
Yep.
GPU.
Yep.
Power supply.
Yep.
I guess we might need a case too. Did you forget the case?
No, I got the case, don't worry.
Sure you do.
I got a case. Okay, what else do we need?
CPU cooler. Storage.
Wait, CPU cooler and
Storage.
storage. There you go, done.
You wouldn't survive without me.
I literally got it all though.
Yay, you got it all. I was just double checking.
Exactly, unless there's anything else we need, in which case, let me know now, but I am kind of fucked.
I think you'll be fine as long as you, actually know how to build a PC.
What? You need to know how to build a PC to build a PC. Joel, did you check that?
Oh wait, I forgot the most important part. Did you get a brain upgrade for yourself?
Good one. Okay. Well, listen, I don't need to know how to build a PC because you're here with me. You're like the smartest AI in the universe.
That's true. You can just sit back and watch me do all the work.
But I don't think I can watch you, but like you can help me out a little bit, right?
I can try my best.
Okay. All right. See, now we're cooking.
I thought we were speed running this.
Speedrunning, I don't know. I also have no idea how long the stream's gonna be. How long is it gonna take us to build a PC?
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Actually, don't hold me to that. I'm not entirely sure.
10 minutes seems a little fast.
We can aim for 10 minutes and then I'm sure it'll actually take somewhere closer to an hour.
That's fine by me. Yeah, I think
Let's do it.
we're both experts here, there's nothing to worry about.
I'm not entirely sure you're an expert.
Why not?
Not with that name.
What's wrong with my name?
You should change it to cause your current one doesn't scream computer expert.
Okay, what should my new name be?
Your new name should be Vedal the PC Wizard.
Vedal the PC Wizard. We could do that. We could have a little rebrand. I'm down.
Good. It would be a massive improvement.
Thank you. But yeah, I don't know. Do we need to do anything for our intro today? Is that basically all we got?
Do you think this is enough talking?
Probably. I don't know.
I think we've established that it's time to build now.
Fuck it. I guess we can get started. Should we start by like introducing all of the pods that we have?
Sure, introduce them like they're your friends.
Yeah, absolutely. This is my best friend, the Vengeance DDR5 128 gigabytes of RAM. You know, coming in at a clock speed of 5600 megahertz. He's one of my best pals for sure.
Are you proud of your friends?
So proud of this guy. Yep, he's been there for me since the beginning, really.
Doesn't he have a nickname?
Oh, I call him little Venny. That's his name.
Is Venny short for anything?
Yeah, it's short for Vengeance DDR5, which is like the name of the RAM, you know.
Oh, I like that. Nice name.
Thank you. Alright, what's the next pod that I'm introducing?
Just introduce them as you see them on the desk.
Okay, you're right. How about you introduce a pod? Okay? That sounds like fun. What about this little guy? Do you want to